Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful lace with chain picot. For this project, I am using a 4mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the first chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, leave the other 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 and then leave the other, wrap the yarn again, go into the chain, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, third time, then wrap the yarn again, go into this same chain, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops for the fourth time. Now we have 5 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops together to make a double crochet cluster. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains in this cluster, in all upper loops right here, we would make a slip stitch to make a chain picot. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, then into the same chain make a double crochet stitch, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn up the work. We would work into this chain 2 space right here, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the chain space, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 first time, then pull the yarn through 2 loops second time, pull the yarn through 2 loops third time and then pull the yarn through 2 loops fourth time, and now pull the yarn through all 5 loops together to make a cluster. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 in the top loops of this cluster. Make a slip stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 and in this chain 2 space make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn up the work again. In this chain 2 space make half double crochet 1. This is also called half double crochet, unfinished double crochet. Make 4 times unfinished double crochet stitches and then finish them together by pulling the yarn from all loops together. Then make 4 chains and a slip stitch onto all loops, upper loops of this cluster stitch. Then make 2 chains and make a double crochet stitch in this same chain 2 space. Again we would make 3 chains, turn up the work and unfinished double crochet 1, unfinished double crochet 2, unfinished double crochet 3 and then unfinished double crochet 4 and then finish them together. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and a slip stitch at the top loops of this cluster. Make 2 chains and a double crochet in the same chain 2 space. So this is our process for this lace. Make it as long as you require for different crochet project. So I have made this much length of this lace. You can use it in different crochet project. I hope you guys like this tutorial video of very easy lace. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.